My subscribers' questions. Yes, I do know where you can get the Galaxy Note 10 Lite right now, today, and that place is at Target. So if you go to target.com and you type in Galaxy Note 10 Lite, you will see that they have an unlocked version of this phone. It's the 128 gigabyte version with 6 gigabytes of RAM, the 6.7-inch screen, dual SIM, Note 10 Lite. And if you go today, like right now, and you apply for this red card, pretty much credit card, you get $25 off any future qualifying purchases over $25. Apply now because it ends today. Now, here are the phones that they have ready for you. Yeah, they have 3 different colors ready right now for you to get at Target, and they're $649.99. So you could actually get the Note 10 Lite right now, today, with tax probably around $660. So yeah, I know they haven't officially announced it in the US. It was released in India like a couple weeks ago. So yeah, we don't have to wait until it gets to officially hit the US because it's already here. So if you want to get a brand new Galaxy Note 10 Lite, just go to target.com, type it in. They do have them. Like this video, leave your comments, and subscribe.